Okay, so decided to start a second video for showing how to link your Google folder to the D2L shell. So uh, again, make sure, hey, I'm in the wrong thing. So make sure you're in the appropriate folder that you're going to link. And this is an important thing. So remember, I suggested that you start a folder that's for you, but then you also have a folder that's shared. So you want to make sure the shared one is at the end of your breadcrumb trail of your Google Drive folders up here. So it's the shared one. Now I'm going to grab this URL up here and copy it. Now I'm going to go to D2L. Now when I'm in D2L, if I hover over the shared Google Drive, well, you can't see it in the lower left-hand corner. If I open that, right now it's set to just go to Google. We want to change that. We want that to go to the actual folder. The way you need to do that is to go over here, upper right-hand corner, Course Admin in the horizontal menu. Under the first section, Site Setup, you want Navigation and Themes. Go down to the navigation bar that is marked Active and open it. Scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the shared Google Drive folder, or some of you it might say shared G Drive folder because it was getting tight with how much stuff. Click on that. And then again, scroll to the bottom and there's an Edit Link Properties. Yeah, so this is really buried. Now, you would think that you should just be able to delete this link and paste in this one, hit save here at the bottom, and it would work. No, it does not work. Do not do that. Instead, you need to click this button with a little orange and chain icon, Insert Quick Link, scroll down to the bottom, go to URL, now paste in your Google Drive ugly URL, hit Insert, hit Save and close again, make sure you hit all the saves. Now if you come back up here and you go to the shared Google Drive folder, it's still going to go to Google. You need to refresh your entire screen to make sure the link works. So reloaded the page. I'm going to go back to home. And it still looks like it's showing. You might have to refresh it a few times. Come on. I promise it does work. It's just cranky. Did it do that this time? Come on, come on. Ah, of course, it's not going to work for me this time. It did it last time. Refresh again. Really? Come on. I'd rather you all watch this because things can be cranky. Let's go back in and see what it's showing. It's got the long one. Close. Refresh. There we go. Okay, so notice that took a few times. Sorry, I know, just at that point you have to go, it's D2L, it's wonky. So it does work, it just, you might have to refresh it a few times or get up, walk away from the computer, do something, and then come back and refresh. But yes, that eventually does change that folder. I do want to show though, so you've got this master one here, and if you get no other links, that's the important one that makes it easy for the students. But if you come over to content, and your courses might look slightly different, you know, the 101s, 102s, 307s, 308s look a little different from each other. But in the courses, you'll see text that's red. Some of it's red to draw attention, but things like this where it says draft project one, those are usually kind of notes, and this says it in the instructor manual that you might want to replace this with a link to the project one assignment prompt. And so at that point, you know, either paste in the link to the overall folder, or if the folder's getting a little chaotic, you might want to actually grab the document. And again, make sure you grab the one that's in the shared folder, grab it and go back into, here we go, edit. You can highlight project one and go to the link. Again, this should look familiar. Paste in. Here is one trick though, I'll say. Make sure you hit open new window. It's in the same frame, it can get cranky. Hit open new window and open, and voila, it's now a link. I'm not gonna save this page because it's the master. Okay, I hope this helps and shows you how to connect your Google Docs stuff to your D2L shell.